ChatGPT, here we go. Make sure you're logged in. Click here, bottom left, then click personalization. So first things first is personalization. Custom instructions about you, occupation, more about you. So here's how I just do it. I joke about this. Let's just use ChatGPT to help you answer these questions on ChatGPT, right? So like, I actually don't have a prompt for this because I just wanted to show you guys like how I kind of work through really asking chat questions. And I'd say like the one piece of advice I would give you that'd probably be the main takeaway for today is if you don't know what to ask AI, I always ask it, what questions do you have for me in order to give me the best result? So let's just try it right now. Now, I'm a big fan of voice dictation because I just, like most of us, I speak a lot faster than I type. Right here on the right-hand side, you can see there's this dictate button. I'm just gonna click on it here. Hey, I need your help personalizing my ChatGPT within the personalization section of ChatGPT. As you should be aware, there are a number of different questions, such as custom instructions and who I am and my occupation. And really, these are important, of course, as you know, for helping personalize my ChatGPT. Can you help me create really good results that I can copy and paste into this personalization settings so that I can receive better responses on ChatGPT? In order to do this, what questions do you have for me in order to give me the best result? So I'll just click this check mark right here, right? Boom. And I'll click it. Now I'm going to get a different result than you guys because I've already trained mine on who I am, right? So let's see what it says. All right, cool. So here we go. Here are your questions I need you to answer. Your role and idea. How do you want ChatGPT to understand who you are professionally? For example, your role, areas of expertise, who you serve, and the image you want to project. Okay, let's keep going down, right? Your goals, your audience, types of content you want ChatGPT to produce. What do you create the most? What kind of content? For me, right, I'm doing a lot of social media, a lot of blog posts, marketing, right? It knows that I'm targeting agents, lenders, etc. Formatting preferences. Are there any rules you want ChatGPT to always follow, right? So I'm just going to roll through these. Now, here's what I would do is if you all have like a website, that's going to be the fastest way to quickly just do this, right? So I'll probably go like this, right? I'd just be like, here's my website, milehighTitleGuy.com, okay? And I'll just start riffing through these again. I'm just going to talk to it. All right, cool. So role and identity is I'm a account executive at Chicago Title of Colorado. My goals are to educate and inform and help the real estate community, mostly real estate agents and mortgage lenders, and help them with their marketing. But in addition to that, help them with title insurance at the Chicago Title of Colorado. Preferred tone and voice, mostly when I have outputs of content, I'm usually speaking in the first person narrative as if I am writing a blog post or speaking on social media. My audience is mostly real estate agents and mortgage lenders. That'll be my focus. Types of content I want ChatGPT to produce. I do a lot of scripts for videos. I do a lot of blog posts. I do a lot of social media content. I do some email campaigns. And that's mostly what I do. Formatting preferences. Any rules for ChatGPT? Yeah, I do have a rule for ChatGPT. One rule is I do not want you to use M dashes.
Yes.
Because I don't want people to know that I'm using ChatGPT.
Yes.
So no M dashes. All right? Hear that loud and clear. And do not use M dashes. You can use hashtags that are relevant to my content when I'm creating social media content. I would love call to actions. What else? How do you want ChatGPT to think? For me, mostly it's going to be as a marketing strategist, but also as a title insurance rep because I do content on title escrow as well as some marketing content and AI tools for realtors. And tools you regularly use, yeah, all those examples are good. Boundaries are things to avoid. Avoid hypey language, avoid complicated jargon, avoid making things up. That's really important. Don't make any things up. Avoid assumptions, especially when dealing with data such as MLS data. And avoid overlong explanations. Those are all really good examples. Lastly, here's my website so you can learn more about me. Please take some time to review it and really study who I am, what I do, and how I serve my audience. Right, so I just riffed on that, which is going to be, I don't know, faster than most of us. I actually taught this
Yeah.
I taught an AI class earlier, and someone wanted to challenge me that she was the fastest typer at 100 words. I was like, all right, lady, you do whatever you want. I don't care. You know, I'm going to do this though. Right. So riff off of that. I put in my website. It's going to search the web, and it should give me some results, right?
It's got some clarifying questions. All right.
More questions, right? Okay, fine. Cool. How would you describe your brand personality? Confident but approachable, expert but friendly, educational but conversational. I like all of those. Mix it up. Do you want ChatGPT to use any specific branding, language, or buzzwords? Sure, you could use Mile High Title Guy. Common call to action is to go to milehighhtitleguy.com and sign up for my weekly email newsletters, sharing real estate tools, resources, and marketing ideas, and invites to exclusive classes and events. When ChatGPT produces content, I do want it to suggest image concepts. Wow, these are very detailed questions. Are there any non-negotiable formatting rules besides avoiding M dashes? For example, include a CTA. No, you're good. I think that's solid. Go ahead and give me all the outputs for the personalization settings. So let's see if it does it.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. Next up. Hey, what's up, Nicole? All right, so we've riffed to this thing now quite a while. Give you two sections: how ChatGPT should respond and what ChatGPT should know about you. Both are formatted cleanly. Cool. What ChatGPT should know about you. Fantastic. So now it's rolling through who I am. Next up, how ChatGPT should respond. Right in the first person narrative. I like that. Right, so now I could go back up here and I could start to copy and paste these instructions. So here's my more about me section, right? I would copy and paste each of these into chat.